Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I had the urge to just do a full glam makeup on myself. I just want to see how I look in full glam. I don't remember. Usually I'm able to do my makeup within like 20 minutes or so, but when I do a full glam, it takes me about an hour. So we're gonna get started with my favorite foundation. This is the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. Okay, I'm gonna pump in the back of my hand. I've never used this beauty sponge with this foundation, so hopefully it works out. Okay, so I wanna talk to you guys about why I wanted to do the 100 Days of Beauty. I feel like I haven't sat down and really gone into depth about it. One of the main reasons is that I feel like I have so much makeup for one person to use up, and it literally bothers me so much just seeing it sit there. So this year is literally going to be like a huge project pan. I'm mainly doing this so that I can use up this makeup and I don't just let it go to waste, you know? Someone DM'd me on Instagram the other night after my decluttering video, and she wrote a really long message. It was really like kind of like a hard to read through, but she was basically asking me if I could send her all the makeup I don't want anymore, even if it's used. And I just don't feel comfortable doing that. I used to be a law major in college, so in my brain the first thing that pops up is like a lawsuit just waiting to happen. As much as I would want to, I can't. I don't feel comfortable doing that, but it's not gonna go to waste. My sisters are literally gonna take everything, so the only things I give away here on this channel are brand new makeup. Like literally I don't even open it from its original packaging. Like I feel really bad, you know, like saying no, but I don't feel comfortable doing that. I think I want to use my Pat McGrath powder today. I don't use this one. I use the Pat McGrath powder on my T-zone. For the rest of my face, I am gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty. Now let's move on to eyebrows really quickly. I actually need an idea from you guys because I don't want to stop vlogging. I have been vlogging ever since the year started. How can I implement? I wanted to ask you guys, how can I still implement my vlogs into these 100 days of beauty? Because I don't want to miss a day, you know, just to post a vlog. George gave me the idea of starting the vlog off with me doing my makeup and then react to the week we've had, but I don't know how to feel about that idea. I've also thought of the idea of starting the vlog off with, you know, doing my makeup and talking about a quote or something that stood out to me in the week, something that I'm grateful for, you know, like working on my inner beauty. Maybe have like a moment of gratitude while I'm doing my makeup, finding inner peace, something like that, something along those lines. I don't know if that's mixing everything too much, or would you just rather have a double upload day on, let's say, like on a Saturday or on a Sunday, where my beauty video goes up in the morning and then the vlog would go up later that evening? I don't know, give me some suggestions, maybe some ideas, or maybe if you like the ideas we already have. I'm kind of leaning more towards the double upload. I love vlogging so much. I think you guys know that, and I wouldn't want to stop. How is the start of the year treating you guys? Mine's going pretty well. I feel more motivated than ever to produce content. Not just that, I just feel motivated to take on the world. Like, even though the world is not fully functioning right now. I'm gonna be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I haven't used a makeup palette in forever, but this one I have used a lot. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I used it quite a bit. Going back to how I'm gonna get through 100 days of beauty, I still don't know how, but hopefully it works out. There's going to be different styles of videos. Wait, did I just go with different shades? I think I did. I'm gonna go in with this little burnt orange right here and go right up here. But these videos don't have to be like a full face of makeup at all. I am bringing back 3 looks 1 palette. I have palettes that I haven't played with yet and I can't wait to use them. Sometimes I won't even be talking. It's just gonna be a silent vlog. So yeah, I have so many different ideas in mind, but obviously you guys can leave me your suggestions. I'm gonna mix these 2 shades right here and I'm gonna go right in the crease all the way on this shade. Cypress Umber. And I'm gonna go right here. Whoa, that is so much darker on this side than this side, right? I'm actually gonna blend some of these shades on my lower lash line. Why am I not using a smaller brush for this? But it's working out really well. George is actually out grocery shopping right now, so I need to be done by the time he comes back so I can cook. I'm gonna do this bronzy shade right here. It's more of a gold to me. Yeah, it's bronzy. Never mind. Oof. This looks so beautiful. Should I do lashes? Do I dare do lashes? I mean, I said I was gonna do the full 9 yards, right? Oh my god, who is she? Oh my god, I can't even recognize myself in the mirror right now. And this may sound stupid, completely stupid, but I forgot how makeup used to make me feel. And I think I could actually cry right now, which is really dumb. Anyway, let's go in with some lipstick. Oh my god, why am I crying over makeup? I love these KKW lipsticks right here. And I have a KKW lip liner in nude 2.5. Whoa. Let me sharpen this up a little bit. There we go. I think I'm leaning towards 90s style. Oh, wow. I'm so glad to be back. I'm so happy. So thank you guys so much for watching and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.